Go on then, sorry, I apologise. Love you. And oi, keep it going, keep it fun. Ringo, family and vision.
That's it.
Love.
Yes, everybody, so it's good to actually be back out here.
Cheers!
You understand? I missed this, look. No. Load you up.
How long have you been doing this, bro? How long have you been doing this, bro? For a year?
4 years.
Wow. That's true. Mummy always used to make a big pot like that. Don't tell me your mum never made you a big pot of stew and it never tasted better the second time round.
Yeah. So,
And they put all these poor people on the streets. People are taking drugs, drinking, because they're not getting the support they need.
no, but what could we do as a community to support what's actually
Seek help,
going on?
honestly.
To be fair,
Yeah.
Seek help. People like young ladies like
Wait,
her.
1 second. Go on.
people that are homeless
Yeah.
is of their own doing because
from serving and taking care of the homeless in Croydon. Yeah? Ringo is here, the people love him, we love him. Croydon, what can we do to make sure in his 30s that we get him supported, funded, and not only backed by funding, yeah, but we can do whatever it takes to help him. Look how many people it is.
Come on. Tell them again. You're homeless and where you love, yeah, you know, and the thing is look, and the, you know, the country, yeah, they try to put you miles away. Then all they want to do is remove the vision. They want to remove the vision, and they can't remove the vision.
Yes. Without the vision, what are they going to see? They can't see nothing without vision.
And that's everybody, so it's good to actually be back out here.
Cheers!
You understand? Let me show you what I've got. I'm going to the cover. There's some cooking right now. Yeah. So in the pot, let me show you what's in the pot right now. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that is it. So see the pumpkin now. We still have to break down the pumpkin quickly. You understand? Because it's important to break down the pumpkin to get that rich colour that we're looking for, everybody. So big up yourself. You understand? We're here. We're in West Croydon. It's the first day back out. It's absolutely good to be back out in the community, everybody.
Yes.
And sharing out the food to the homeless.
The train station nice and busy. Look, and as you can see, some people are here waiting underneath the station, obviously from the shelter of the rain and the cold. So it just makes sense that we're here, and yeah, man, they can enjoy their food. So how you feeling, Ringo?
Just adding some ingredients in the pot right now, putting all the potatoes in. Also got some turnip as well to put in the pot as well, people. So good vibes. Turnip has a nice flavour as well. So put it in the comment section, people, yeah? Because it's actually a good feeling right now to be outside. Yeah?
I phoned you 4 times.
When?
Let me show you now.
You're on camera now, you know? So yeah.
Listen,
Yeah.
listen,
You phoned him 4 times. I hope you did.
Zago, listen, Croydon, we need Ringo.
That's what I want to hear.
First of all, let me change it up.
Yeah.
You thought I was joking with you?
Yeah.
Alright, what?
I told you.
No, we go back from we were kids.
So you already know him?
We grew up together.
Yeah.
Ringo's cutting up the carrot now.
We grew up together. Ringo and I grew up together. Yeah? Let me back my team. Let me back my team. Alright, so I've heard the rumours that they've tried to ban out my brother from serving and taking care of the homeless in Croydon. Yeah? Ringo is here, the people love him, we love him. Croydon, what can we do to make sure in his 30s that we get him supported, funded, and not only backed by funding, yeah, but we can do whatever it takes to help him. Look how many people it is.
Come on. Tell them again.
Bro, this guy takes care of so many homeless people. I'm putting a big cry out. Listen, I'm meeting Ringo on Friday, and I need people to back my brother as he feeds the homeless. Croydon, what can we do to support my brother? That's the question. Thank you.
Good stuff. Hold it back. Don't move on the front. Yes, people, so it feels good now. Let me come outside. Let me actually show you.
Where we there?
You know.
Just in case they thought we was lying. We're lying, we're flying. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, man, so we're outside West Croydon station, you know, but we have to catch a local shelter, and this is why we need our local community, the council, to just support us with a kitchen, premises, or a place where we can cook for 3 to 4 hours. They can come and they can get the food rather than us being out in the weather, because regardless of what weather it is, we're still dedicated to give out the food and hand out the food to the people. But if we had a premises where they can actually come in, you understand, collect the food, and then they won't be on the streets. So they know that they'll come to the Ringo hub 4 days a week for 3 to 4 hours, sit in, eat some food, have some positive talk, and then you guys that are working in different departments of mental health, social housing, whatever enterprise it is, you guys can also come in, and then we can work as a team to tackle certain issues that's happening around our country, not just in Croydon, but around our country. People, yeah. So look, we've got so many people here in the station that's waiting for food today, you understand? So it's a good vibe. Just do the right thing, people, yeah. Keep supporting us, keep spreading the word, and that's all it is, really and truly. You understand? We're outside.
Outside.
Outside with the kitchen right now. Let's check the fire. We've got some flame under there, but it's very, very low at the moment. But yeah, man, a good vibe still, people. Yeah, we're there, so with the kitchen. You understand? We're here. We're in West Croydon, everybody. So yeah, man. The mission continues. The mission is ongoing, everybody. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, for all the support, all the love. You understand? All the encouragement. And here we are again, once more, in our local community. First day back with the kitchen, you understand, and we're representing good food, you understand? That is it. So,
and they put all these poor people on the streets. People are taking drugs, drinking, because they're not getting the support they need.
No, but what could we do as a community to support what's actually going on?
To be fair,
Yeah.
Seek help. People like young ladies like
Wait,
her.
1 second. Go on.
people that are homeless
Yeah.
is of their own doing, because they don't put in enough effort themselves.
Right. And that's you being honest.
3 months.
Yeah.
Send them all to work,
They
get
would
them a
house
job.
me, but not my partner.
Right.
Do you remember when the cleaner?
Yeah,
then
yeah.
died?
What happened?
Well, maybe try and get them
When?
into employment.
On the 28th November.
Don't lie.
He fell off his ladder and cracked his skull open.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. I knew him as well. He was alright with me.
remember
He was
a
good to
partner?
me. He was one day, you know.
Who's that?
Window cleaner, Jamie.
Do you know one day you
yeah,
saw
yeah.
me? You bought me a can of beer one day down
What?
there with a group of
Yeah.
girls. He's got a bucket.
Jamie
He works
passed
over the
away?
ladder, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh,
I met him.
Have you
But
not noticed you haven't seen him?
he's a nice guy.
but I just, you know, like,
That shocked me, man. When I seen him.
Me, but not him.
mad.
Yes, I'm not that thrilled, but you know, we was homeless and it was ridiculous. They wouldn't house us as a couple.
Yeah.
You know, because they would house me because of my mental health and stuff.
Right.
And when
I don't come here every day.
died, obviously they housed me immediately.
Wait, does
Yeah.
breakfast as well? Or just
That's not fair to house one with the legs, to expect someone to house one without the other.
Right.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
A proper couple would not allow their partner
That's Harry Street. That's how I brought you in.
Of course not.
regardless, male or female.
Of course not.
But a lot of these people, they don't put in effort. They sit there complaining and bitching about it. But
Right.
do you know what I mean? There is organisations and there is the effort. You still get housed.
Yeah.
I do know that the unfairness of some people, and they've been out on the street for quite a while.
Yeah.
And you know, at the end of the day, they make all their appointments, they do all their interviews, they do everything, they stick to the rules, and they still don't get housed. And that's unfair.
Yes.
But,
You have to help yourself, basically.
you have to help yourself. Yeah. And like, you know, most of these are quite happy because when they're so stuck, the start can be where they haven't got the help, and then they get into a lifestyle.
Yeah.
When I tried to explain to them when I was on drugs that I'm not addicted to drugs, I'm addicted to the lifestyle.
Yeah.
I'm addicted to waking up, getting some drugs, and then when Jamie died and everything, and you know, I stopped taking drugs and everything, I found it hard to find what to do with my time.
I'm still like shocked. I'm in shock. I'm actually in shock. Like I literally like as you're talking, I'm just running him through my mind because he's just such a lovely guy.
Fit and healthy, and
Mate.
he refused the job 2 weeks before because it was a dangerous job. There is an inquest into his death because he was on the man's property, and the man said that he said he never seen Jamie with his ladders. He had to go and collect his ladders if he needed them.
Yeah.
He said he'd come and ask for the job.
Yeah.
He said no.
Yeah.
But he still went and got his ladders and climbed up there anyway.
Yeah.
So who does that for no money?
Yeah.
Not even someone. No. Yeah, absolutely ridiculous. So hopefully we get some justice from that. It's only about money. Jamie didn't claim benefits and stuff like that. So he was work insurance and stuff like that. So hopefully his kids and his family will get some justification
for it.
And myself, because obviously a lot of people. Did you die of an overdose? No. No, I said that man got high.
Yeah.
He didn't overdose. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he's a good man. Do you know what I mean? He worked very, very hard.
No, he was very hard working. We've never seen him without that friggin' the bucket, yeah.
But because one time someone said, oh, Jamie will come back. He went off to go get some beers or something. They said, oh, because Claire's here. And they went, oh, don't worry about Claire. He's left his bucket in the bucket hole for one of Claire.
Yeah.
I was like, you know that. And actually, he loved his job.
Yeah.
It was something when he was in prison about 25 years ago. What can I do? Such little skills and stuff like that. He said, from out his window, he saw someone doing some windows and thought, I can do that. And literally for 25 years, he was doing it. And he'd get up every morning, 7 o'clock, that's it, straight out the door. Finish sometimes because, kebab shops and that don't close till sort of, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Working at 11 o'clock at night and so anything for about that.
Yeah.
Generous man, I love to say but I've been on the streets very many times and sorry I switched conversations but I managed to get housed and stuff.
Talk a bit louder. Talk a little bit louder. Talk a little bit louder.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Homelessness, I don't know, I mean, a lot of people can help themselves, I've made it wrong.
Yeah.
Because they will stand there bitching about the fact that they've done this and they've done that. I guarantee you they haven't done half of the things that they've been told to do.
Yeah.
Do you understand? I mean, all of these that sit here, most of them are housed. Most of the homeless are they're just bumming around on the streets. And I think it's lack of interaction.
But there's a bit of mental health as well, though.
Croydon has a massive amount of mental health, but that's because it's a massive town.
Yeah.
So the whole point is they stick them all together so you can get lost in the system. Do you know what I mean? So therefore, the bigger fish fry and stuff like that. Too many people play on ailments and stuff like that these days. I mean, I've got serious issues. I've got suicide catching.
So look.
I don't play on that, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you do a very simple something,
Yeah.
and do the best you can, I'm sure you enjoy this, you take the time.
Yeah. Well, my whole look on homelessness is that support, a bit of more mental support to create stability, because a lot of people are going through trauma, and because people are going through trauma, they need that extra little help because of addiction, and you need. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So it works both ways. You can be on it today, and then tomorrow you feel depressed, And that's what I've noticed with like people being homeless, like going through depression.
Money or not,
Yeah.
there's so much happy when they've got money and they get then money and then they don't know what to do with it, and it's just it's a cycle.
Yeah.
It's a vicious cycle.
Huh? I don't know. Dave, what go on?
We're back on track.
Yeah.
We're back on track. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Fuck the fucking system, the way they're fucking, and you're back as well. You know what I mean? Fighting, keeping it fucking going. You know? Keeping it going. The system, the council, the police. No, they don't give a fuck, man. The police just want to arrest you because they've got nothing else better to do. That's right. The council just want to remove you and move you somewhere completely different from where your home is and where you love, brother. Sincere, you know. And the thing is like, and the council, yeah, they just want to put you miles away. Then all they want to do is remove the vision.
That's it.
They want to remove the vision, and they can't remove the vision.
Yes. What about the vision? What are they gonna see? They can't see nothing without vision.
And they get paid for that, and they think that, you know what I mean, the council think that fucking all they'll do is kill us. This is the vision here, you know. I can't, it's lovely to see you. Lovely to see you. I miss seeing you here. Next one, you know, I miss seeing you here by my world, you know.
That's it.
And yeah, without the vision, how can we teach the youth? How can we teach people right from wrong, left from right, up and down? You know, the system are the ones that just want to kill you off, and they look down at us, but we're the ones that are actually giving the youth and the knowledge. Ringo Visions is the vision, you know. And you've made my day today seeing you. I can't believe I've just seen you here now. I didn't even realise. You know what I'm like? I'm always in a different world, having a dance about. Power to the people. And it's the truth. The system don't have a clue. Corrupt don't give a F word, let's say. Corrupt don't give a up, let's say. Yeah, corrupt don't give a duck. And that's the truth, you know. And we're fighting for freedom here too, you know. Fight for the amount of people that are banged up.
Wow, one people say you done know, say yes. It was an excitement to be out today for the first day, you know. The people were overwhelmed to see that the kitchen and the local chef was back out to give them their food. You understand, people? Yeah, 21 a day. You understand? Because you don't know, so I'm more than 2 a day, 5 a day, 10 a day. You understand, people? So good vibes. So, but anyway, we have to bust a joke. Not true?
Yeah, man.
So, Finn, how was today? Today was a good day. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So, for big up the people, them. Big up everyone that's been supporting. You understand? What can I say? We're gonna be back out again tomorrow and the next day people, yeah, because guess what, we're back again, you understand? And the marathon continues, the mission continues, people, yeah. All I need you guys to do is to continue to support. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I just want to say thank you very much. Let's give everyone a round of applause.
Come on.
That is it, people, yeah. One more round of applause. And you know what that one's for? That one's for 30k subscribers, people, yeah.
Alright, big up everyone, you know. Big up everyone that's been on the journey.
See all the new family members that have just joined, like just now as this video's come out, big up yourself. But you see all my old school people, them from one year and last year, and just have you guys ever seen the first ever video, yeah? Can you put it in the comment section, yeah? And tell me what I cooked on the first ever video that I uploaded on YouTube, yeah? That's a little task for all of us, yeah?
Jeez.
And we're gonna have a little conversation about it because we're gonna get back into the kitchen and be doing some recipes just like that, because a lot of people have been asking, "Yo, Ringo, where's the recipes? Where's this? Where's that? Where's that?" So I want you guys to go back to the very first video that I uploaded on YouTube and have a look at it, please, yeah? And tell me if you want me to entwine that back into what we're doing right now, doing certain Jamaican recipes, how to cook ackee and saltfish, rice and peas, jerk chicken. As the sun's coming out, we can get the jerk pan out.
Jeez.
Curry goat. You understand? Oxtail, cow foot, chicken foot. You understand?
When we cook shrimp in the coconut.
Everything.
Yeah.
You understand? Eye-tool stews.
Yes.
1 million different eye-tool stews. 100,000 different fish menus that I got for you guys, people, yeah, and 1 million ways how to cook rice. You understand, people? Yeah, I'm not telling no lie. Cause guess what, go on, rice, yeah, you can put everything that you cook in life. You can add, you can even put cornflakes in rice.
No way. I think we should try that. Some rice cornflakes, some rice flakes.
Now, do you wanna do that?
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
We done the cornflakes chicken.
Okay.
So grind out the cornflakes, friend, yeah, grind it out. Instead of using the flour and that and whatnot, the same process, dip it up in the cornflakes and whatnot, yeah, and deep fry it.
And then fry it with the cornflakes. That must be banging, you know.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try some cornflakes rice.
Okay.
You understand, people? Yeah, that's not for the homeless. That's just for our personal fun.
Yeah.
And
We're gonna have fun with it again.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna bring the kitchen back outside. So definitely, yeah, just look out when the sun's out. We're gonna be out in the forest or some form of rural location, cooking, whatever, in the forest, in nature, holding the vibes, as well as we're on the mission as well, people, yeah. Big up yourself. What was it like today going out for the first time? It was great. And I feel like it was silly what was put in place, but what was put in place here just gave me more fuel to just go harder than we was going before. You understand? So now I just want to go every day. You understand? But I'm gonna go 4 days. You understand? Today was absolutely good. It was a completed pot of soup. You understand? Dave was there waiting for his food. The train station was full of people. You understand?
True. Yeah.
The train station was full of people.
They were there waiting.
You understand? Because the word was going out from before. Ringo was back out on Wednesday and we executed it.
That's
good
it.
vibes.
Good vibes. Don't know.